Para sa mga sumayaw.
Palakpakan sa mga sumayaw na nakaupo. Sige, yan.
Patikim lang yan. Dire-diretso natin mamaya-maya yan ulit. At this point yan, once again, we'd like to greet si JR tsaka si Rex. Happy birthday. Sabay-sabay naman natin batiin. Sige. Kanina muna tayo pero ulitin natin. Sabay-sabay natin kantahan yung may mga birthday ngayon. Okay ba yun?
Sabay-sabay ha.
At pag kinanta natin, tagay natin yung mga bote natin. Come on, sing!
Happy birthday
to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Kayo naman guys, kayo naman, kayo naman.
Papunta na. Happy birthday.
Lakasan nyo guys, ha? Lakasan nyo.
Sama tayo lahat.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Cheers! To you. Happy birthday to you.
Alright guys, one more time.
Happy birthday. Happy
Alright guys, ha?
birthday.
Sabay-sabay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan. This time siguro hingi tayo kay konting speech. Konti lang pasasalamat siguro. Next! Konting ano lang,
Ayan,
message. Ayan. O si JR muna. Pinatawag ko kayo. Kasi,
Sige, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Birthday mo ngayon. Tama ka lagi. Alam mo ba yun?
ayan.
Habang
Kanino ba
birthday
may
mo
kiss?
pa.
Ayan. Ayan.
Ha? Oh,
Si Rex, may masabi ba? Thank you sa mga nagpunta na ngayon. Mahihain si Rex. Dito ka, Rex. Picture daw kayo nung ni JR, ang celebrant natin.
ayan. Ayan, sige. Yeah!
Ayan.
Gusto kasama yung chicks.
Ayan. Ayan, happy birthday to JR and Rex.
Nalata yan.
Si JR, hindi, si Rex nagpasalamat na. Si JR, wala pang...
Ano sasabihin mo, kapatid?
Ako'y lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyo lahat. Ilang taon at medyo ngayon lang na ulit. Kasama ko ang pinsan ko sa kasiyahan ito. Tayo po'y magiging sa muli.
Wow!
Maraming salamat po.
Amen!
Alright, happy birthday JR and
Thank
Rex.
you so much.
Ayan, ang ating mga birthday boys. Finally, napapunta rin natin sa harap. Ayan.
Nakainom lang na. O, ikaw, anak, may masasabi ka ba? Opo.
Ayan. Okay.
Sige. Guys, ganun pa rin po. Come on.
Happy birthday to
Okay. Ang ating mga birthday boys, ayan. At balita ko si Joseph daw ay kakanta.
Wow! Yun naman pala eh. Joseph.
Joseph! Liga na.
Saan ba
Naman na. Ito, I'm sure pag nandito ka magkakaroon sila ng kamay.
Oo. Joseph, pagkakataon mo nang ma-discover.
Isa lang.
Oh, ma-recover. Halika na.
Salamat.
Come on, Joseph. Yan. Sabi nila, oh.
Hindi. Ano ba yan? Pasyatin nyo ba yan?
Sige. Ayaw ni Joseph. Shot na lang daw siya ng shot. Inom na lang siya ng inom.
Si Dayan tsaka si Moray lang ba ang jabber natin dito?
Raquel.
Ake?
Tumakbo tuloy. Ayan.
Okay.
Naku, baka pag ganyan, maubos tayo.
Huwag kayong mahihiya guys, party nyo to. Kaya tayo.
But kung hindi man jam requests, let us know about it. Okay?
Nad. Anyone of us?
Okay,
Anyone
so
of-
medyo...
Anyone of us?
Awit-awit muna kami ha. Trabaho kami para sa inyo. Please, I'm going to do something.
Anyone of us?
Beauty queen of
Only 18 she has some trouble with herself.
He was always
Maroon 5.
she always belonged to
Someone else.
I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. How come you so many times, but you go anytime you want?
Yeah, I don't mind spending every day out of your corner in a pouring rain.
Look for the girl with a broken smile.
Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will.
And she will love. Tap on my window, knock on my door. Wanna make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. Doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. Still the my most was a love. Yeah, my heart is full and my door's always open. You do anytime you want.
Yeah, I don't mind spending every day out of your corner in a pouring rain. Oh, look for that girl with a broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will.
And she will be loved. And she will be loved. And she will be loved. I know where you hide, alone in your car. Know all of the things that make you who you are. I
Jeff.
Go, Jeff!
Ito siya na narinig ko rin to kanina kumakanta eh. Oo, sabi kanina nung may birthday. Request daw nung may birthday yun. Mahiyain ang mga tao dito. Tara na, Jeff.
Jeff!
Jeff. Jeff, regalo mo na lang yun sa nag-birthday. Jeff! Ayan, dalawa kayo.
Ayan, ang birthday ko with Jeff. Pagkakatawa natin. Saan ba yun? Wala eh. Subukan. Okay. Let's give it up for Jeff and Yay! Ikaw susunod ah.
Laki Jackie yan eh.
One more can I say with the light of you, just the way is the truth. One more can I say? How can I put? How can I put? When you just want me to reason, when you just want me to reason, I know. Should I lie to you? Someone to taste the truth. One more can I say to you? Would like this time, hoping to be this One more can I say? How can I go? How can I go? When you just want me the reason, when you just want me the reason.
Palo-palo!
And when I do, I cannot forget.